Here, welcome to all my dear students. In the last lecture, we had seen scope of records management, significance of records management, principles of record management. Today, we are going to learn chapter 3 office records management and topic digitizations of records, utility of digitization of records, advantages of digitization of records. So let's start with the new topic, digitization of records. Digitization of records. Introduction. Records are often interrelated and need to be close to each other to facilitate cross-checking and other types of multiple consultations. These records, they no longer need to be physically close to each other or the centralized in single location. They can be kept in the custody in a less costly location. The records that are generated that given a references and number which smoothly into the digital archive. These records contain a great diversity of subdocuments. These documents, photos, maps and plans in the different formats, colors, paper thickness, etc. Meaning of digitization. Digitization means getting the data into the digital formats. That formats the promotes easy discovery, access and use. This process of converting and physical analogs such as paper records, photograph or the graphic items into electronic representation that can be accessed the stores of records electronically. That means converting the hard copy or non-digital records into digital formats. The hard copy or non-digital records includes the audio, visual, image or text. Definition of digitization. Digitization refers to the adoption or increase in use of digital or computer technology by an organization, industry, country, etc. This organization with challenges and opportunities with all economic and social sectors being affected and technologies. The digital economy is highly uncertain, complex and ambiguous. They also means the process of making the digital everything that can be digitalized. This process of converting the information and digital format. Next is utility of digitization of records. Save time, money, office and filling space by storing the paper electronically. Second is allows multiple users access to the document without having the original removed from the file. In case of nature emergency, computer backups allow for the recovery contingency. They can be sent and received easily to different locations, easily and quickly. They allow for multiple documents with single scan, allow for documents security. Feasibility of digitizations of records. The first point is copyright issues. These issues those wishing to take the paperless philosophy. A limit has copyright. The laws restrict the transfer of documents, protected the copyright from the one to another, and this document such the converting books to the electronic format. In case the conversion is not permitted by law, it is feasible for the time and the firms to go for the paperless system. The paperless system is much higher. The computer scanner and other electronics devices are highly priced. Thereafter, next point is number of users to access the system at one time and cost associated with license. The number of users required a particular document. The paper-free copies the particular document digitally with the licensed software. This software expensive for each computer must be purchased. Next is modifications to documents or files. This modification to the digital copies in case the original physically documents needs to the modified and signed by the particular person. For such documents is the useless. The next is computer literacy. It means that is one of the aspects which cannot be overlooked. Everyone is computer literate due to the persons cannot and make themselves the comfortable. The technology of paperless offices in where the computer they are low, the paperless offices. So these were the various feasibility of digitizations of records. Advantages of digitizations of records. The first is improves business process efficiency, quality, and consistency. They will not improve the organization's business process. The introduction of digitizations programs provides an opportunity for an organization. The business processes and determine they can be integrated into them. This program may prompt re-engineering of process and the quality of promotions and consistency. Thereafter, next point is integrates with digital systems. Organization may have existing business systems. Digitizations programs provides an opportunity. This records in digital form with those systems. They can be more confident that the digital records provide the complete account of business conduct. Thereafter, next point is improves accessibility and facilitate better knowledge sharing. They are more accessible than their paper. The location is no longer an immediate to access. Images can be distributed across the network and view concretely. The copy are assets used by multiple stakeholders. They having the record digital form, and they also increase the capacity for knowledge and the information. Next is improves response time and client service. It is much is easier and quicker and view the digital image and rather than original paper records. Next point is reduces cost. This program has the potential to reduce the stores and storage, the management access cost. The storage can be reduced. The original paper records can be destroyed after digitizations. The last advantages of digitization of record is better plan for business continuity can be done. These records can be backup using the organizations and normal backup procedure. In the disaster recovery procedure, these records are essential to the functioning of the organization. So, these were the various advantages of digitizations of records. Thank you.